Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. Join me today for my mini craft series, Shop Your Stash and Let's Craft. I've had so much fun making these little projects and making sure to use what I have in my stash. I hope you guys have been having fun too. As always, I'll put the playlist link at the end of the video, and make sure to check out the other creations our crafty friends have made, like Terry from Terry's Place and Felicia from FPHANDMADE. Their links will be down below in the description box. So February's theme is everything we love, and today's prompt is a new season. Spring is just around the corner, so I thought we'd make a fun project. And our project will be to alter a canvas, and it could be plain, it could be an old canvas, a wooden plaque, or a box if you would like. And the items that we will be using today is a floral napkin, Mod Podge, a paintbrush, some floral embellishments, and that can include stickers, paper flowers, some lace trim if you would like, and whatever else you might want to use in your stash. Now, some of the elements that you should include is a spring sentiment, decoupage item on the frame to show that you've altered it and incorporated it with the spring theme. And the rest is just to have fun. So let's get started. Alright guys, so here is what I have that I'll be working on today. I have these two wooden plaques that I've had sitting in my craft room for over a year, and I love that it already has the sentiment in it. We have our flowers, burlap butterflies. I also have this beautiful napkin that was gifted to me by my friend Joanne, so we'll work with that. And I also have some of this scrapbook paper, a beautiful postcard that I will use for another wooden plaque, but I'll show you that in just a few. So let's start with these guys. I think I'm going to start with this one here. I also have my little bowl for my Mod Podge. So I'm going to pour that out. Whoop, there you go. And I got my paintbrush. So I am ready to go. What I'm going to do first is split this open. There are several layers on our napkin. So I am going to open that up. And then before I begin, if you do not have a wooden plaque, if you have a plain canvas that you would like to alter or a box, you are more than welcome to use that. So let's get started. Sorry guys, my battery died. So I basically cut out the image that I wanted from my paper napkin, started to get decoupage it with some Mod Podge, and so we are making some progress here. So what I did was put a little bit of Mod Podge first on the base here, and then attached our napkin. So if I'm adding this flower here, you would have that underneath, and then I would add a little bit more of our Mod Podge on top. So already we're getting some color on our plain peach board, and I thought these flowers with the fuchsia pink, the green, and this white flower would look beautiful on top of it. So I'm going to continue, and we will work on the other board in just a few. So here we go. Here's another look at our three projects over here. I really like the cute little plaques here. We did our decoupage elements by using some scrap paper on these two. Again, this is a very basic decoupaging project. We used some napkin on this one and embellished it with some of our dimensional stickers and our paper flowers. So super fun and easy to make. I hope you guys try it out and use some of the items that you have in your stash. Again, thanks for watching Karamia's Corner. Have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!